How to use beauty mode on Bigo Live. Want to look your best every time you go live on Bigo Live? Beauty mode enhances your appearance, giving you smooth skin and subtle touch-ups. Let's activate and customize beauty mode on your iPhone. First, start a live stream on Bigo Live. Look for the beauty icon, often a face with a sparkle or lipstick symbol on your screen, and tap on it. You can also tap on it before going live, like this. Toggle on beauty or smooth skin. Then you'll see various sliders to adjust effects like skin smoothing, whitening, face slimming, or eye enlargement. Like these: face, eyes, and nose. You can enhance all of them. As you adjust, effects will apply in real time to your live video. Experiment to find your perfect look. Your audience will see the enhanced version of you. Beauty mode helps you feel confident and look great on Bigo Live. Always put your best face forward. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live aesthetic tips.